This is by far the best way to record your screen on Windows 10, and if you haven't heard of it, it's called FocuSee. The best part? It even includes automatic editing. In today's video, I'll show you how to record your screen on Windows 10 effortlessly with FocuSee. Step 1. Go to the official website to download the latest FocuSee. Visit the official website to download the latest version of FocuSee. Then, after its installation, all you need to do is launch it, and this is what you will see on the screen. Step 2. Adjust settings before recording begins. In the pop-up window, you can see 3 recording modes, including full screen, custom, and window. At the same time, on the right side of the interface, you can adjust the microphone, camera, or audio according to your needs. However, it's worth noting that when you enable the camera, it will be displayed in the lower left corner of the screen by default, and can be dragged to any position on the screen you want. Step 3. Recording a test clip. Click the red button, and after the 3-second countdown, the recording will start officially. Of course, through the corresponding shortcut keys, you can quickly start, pause, or end the recording. During recording, if you're not happy with the preset and want to go back to the start, click the first delete button on the toolbar below to stop and return. To start over, click the second re-record button. For other cases, click the third button to pause and keep the recording effect. What's more, each click during the recording process is automatically accompanied by a zoom effect, which will be shown in the editing interface after the recording is finished. After recording the material you need, click the red button again to end the recording. Step 4. FocuSee Editor after recording. After recording, FocuSee will automatically jump to the editing interface. Here FocuSee provides rich video editing functions. Even if you don't have video editing experience, you can easily get started. Now I'll walk through each of these options and show you everything FocuSee can do with your recorded video footage. First is the video enhancement. FocuSee offers a wealth of aspect ratios to choose from, and here we'll go with the 16:9 format in order to accommodate this video. In addition, you can adjust the video's fill, embedding, roundness, and shadow functions to enrich the video effect. Even if you don't like the background of the video, FocuSee supports changing the background with one click, which is just magic. Secondly is the cursor function, and you can change the size and style of the cursor, the click effect, and even the sound effect. Then there's the motion blur function, where we can adjust the zoom motion blur, screen motion blur, or cursor motion blur to enhance the visual impact and immersion of the recorded video. Further down is the camera function, which offers up to 6 ways to position and arrange the camera, and supports flipping. You can even customize the layout to adjust the size and position of the camera. Not only that, but details such as camera size, rounded corners, and mirroring can be adjusted individually. For example, when zooming in and out of a picture, the camera image will automatically shrink along with it to keep the picture harmonized. In addition, appropriate filters and borders can be selected to enhance the visual effect. The last is the subtitle and watermark functions, and with the microphone and audio turned on, FocuSee can record both internal and external audio and automatically generate subtitles. Meanwhile, FocuSee can also add customized watermarks to prevent video theft. Moreover, as mentioned earlier, a zoom effect is generated when the mouse clicks on the video. We can see it in the preview on the right, and if you are not satisfied, you can delete or adjust it on the track. Of course, we can also do basic editing operations on the track. Step 5. FocuSee Export Options. After finishing editing the video clip, we can export it. Here we can choose to export it in 4K 60 FPS format to ensure the high quality of the video effect, if necessary, can also be exported to GIF format. All in all, if you want to record screen on Windows 10, FocuSee is a very good choice for you. It allows people with no editing skills to make amazing videos. It also automatically follows the mouse cursor and creates cool zoom effects and beautiful backgrounds, saving you from tedious manual operations. Whether you're creating tutorials, promotional videos, or demo videos, FocuSee makes video production a breeze and helps you achieve great results. Above is all the content on how to record screen on Windows 10. Thanks for watching. It is said that those who like it after watching this video will be luckier in 2025. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.